So it's been a while since we've done one of these, but this is the first new gen KTM 390 Duke we've had come through the workshop, and I thought we'd do a quick walk around. This bike is actually come in for a lowering spacer to be put in the shock. It is a brand new bike, and we've pulled the seat height down by 27mm just to help the new lady owner feel a bit more confident, but it is really an eye-catching bike. The new gen version obviously has the new exhaust pipe, still running the I think they call them Brembos, which are like KTM's copy of the Brembo calipers. Got the new updated LED style headlights. Did flick them on last night. They're actually a very, very impressive headlight. She is one good looking learner bike. And of course, big update for this generation is the screen. Let's see if we can turn it on. Let's just zoom in a bit. Yeah, so it's actually got a very good LCD or LED display. And it's like the big bikes now. Yeah, cool. Very nice little bike. In fact, even though it's a learner bike, I think I kind of want one. Alright, let's give it a quick start up.
Perfect, perfect.